Namaste everyone. Here I'm making black bean curry with all the herbs here. This is onion, garlic, and some pepper. I'm gonna stir that. I will add turmeric and salt, pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, kind of stir fry for a while, and then I will add the beans right here and saute it for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll add I would say 8 cups of water, because this is going to be a soup, and all the spices together, mixed together, salt and pepper. It's going to be delicious. Thank you for watching my video.